My dear boys of class 12, I was in chapter number 7, that is children, women and sports, and I was completing female athlete triad, and I was in eating disorder. In eating disorder, I completed anorexia nervosa. Today I am going to complete bulimia nervosa. What is bulimia nervosa? Now, bulimia nervosa is an eating disorder which is characterized by recurrent binge eating for a period of time, followed by normal eating or fasting. What I have told? Now, bulimia nervosa is an eating disorder which is seen among the youngsters. Bulimia nervosa is marked by recurrent binge eating or huge eating, massive eating for a period of time, followed by normal eating or fasting or less eating. In bulimia nervosa, weight is lost, but not like anorexia nervosa. After eating much, an individual becomes repentant and he or she tries to vomit. See how funny this is. After eating a lot, the individual thinks, I have committed a mistake, I have eaten a lot, perhaps I will be gaining more weight, I have to lose weight, so I must vomit. So this is bulimia nervosa. There are two types of bulimia nervosa. One is purging type of bulimia nervosa, other is non-purging type. What is purging type of bulimia nervosa? The purging type of bulimia nervosa happens when an individual tries to reduce his body weight by self-induced vomiting. जब भाई उल्टी कर लेते हैं, जो खाए हैं सब निकल जाएंगे और हम वेट भी गेन नहीं करेंगे. So this is purging type of bulimia. And non-purging type of bulimia, what is this? Now, after eating a lot, an individual thinks बहुत हो गया है, let's have some fasting, let's indulge in less eating, let's restrict the intake of food. So this is non-purging type of bulimia. And in this way, in purging type of bulimia, an individual tries to lose his body weight by vomiting, and in non-purging type of bulimia, an individual tries to lose his body weight by reducing calorie. I repeat, in purging type of bulimia, just wait. Just wait. In purging type of bulimia, an individual becomes repentant after eating, and the individual tries to vomit to reduce weight. And in non-purging bulimia, an individual tries to lose his body weight by fasting, by restricting diet, etc. Now, have you got through? Have you got it? Now, what are the causes of bulimia nervosa? First is genetic factor. It may be hereditary. It may be seen in the future generations if it was among the ancestors. There are some number one genetic factor, number two psychological factor. Psychological factor may also be responsible for this. Maybe perhaps the individual is over-conscious, extra-conscious about self-esteem and body image. That's why this may be the reason. To maintain weight categories in sports, this may be, suppose in boxing, to remain in the lightweight, one may be the victim of bulimia nervosa. Pressure of performance in sports may be another factor. Social factors. Now, what are the symptoms? What are the symptoms? Not symbols, but symptoms. What are the symptoms of bulimia nervosa? Frequent episodes of self-induced vomiting, number 1. Feeling of thirst, number 2. Swelling in the food pipe, because if someone vomits again and again, there will be the swelling in the food pipes. Overeating or episodes of overeating, binge eating, excessive physical activity to remain slim. So these are the symptoms of bulimia nervosa. Now today after this, in the next class, we will be resumed to this. Thank you very much.